Hey, I want to show you how to access your class and start a meeting. So you'll go to zoom.us, sign in with the email and password that you have. It's going to ask you a question, play the game, so they know you're not a robot. From there, you might go to different, like this might look different. Sometimes when I log in, I go right to profile, and this is what I see. Sometimes I log in and it goes right to meetings. All of these options are on the left. To find your class, on the left-hand side, you want to make sure that you're in the option for meetings, and then you go to your class. So when you click on your class and you're just starting it, you could just click start. If you want to find the link for your class to send to someone, you would click on your class and then copy invitation. You really only need this information here. Join Zoom meeting, meeting ID. Those are the best ways to send class to someone. So, but just in general, this is how you would sign in for your class. It's super easy. If you do record your class, it's going to show up here in recordings. And then once it's done processing, you can access your recording. In another video, I'll show you how to upload your recording to Vimeo so that you can share it on our website.